Me and my brother got one of these Olympia tools angle grinders. Shared between us. What is it? Oh, big long model number. It works. I sort of like this safety because there's a button, it can go either way, and then just a trigger. I prefer one-handed grips, so this isn't going to be so good for this job. Here's my baler. It's a Massey Ferguson 20-8, and the chain's broken on it. It's just one of these links, a half link's broken, and it's come apart. It actually happened because a needle rusted through and sort of gummed up the works, and also the nutter wasn't actually bolted down properly, so a couple of things went wrong last time I was meddling with it. But I just need to grind this here pin off, so we'll see how it goes. Quick flush it. Looking alright. As I said, it's not, I like one-handed grips because then you can stabilise it and press it in better. It's not all that much slower than a mains grinder. Some people complain about battery grinders being slower. For these flat wheels it's probably a little bit better because they don't heat up quite as much. Try it like that. So I got this chain breaker. I can't remember, what is it? US Pro chain. What does it call itself? Chain breaker and riveting tool. I'm not going to rivet this. I've got a master link with a spring pin on it, and I'm going to twist it. That's what's on this already. The master link's actually alright on it. I have yet to figure out how this thing goes together. Does it? Take that? Maybe I should have figured that out first. I think there's something about this I'm missing. So I think the pin goes right through it, but if the pin goes right through it, it goes through a cap. That's a long, what do you call it, that is? No. So I still need a spanner. Where's my spanners, damn it? Right. That angle grinder's alright. My brother's been complaining at me for a while for using his grinder. He's got one of his Makitas. Yeah, Makita, but it's damn good. You know, little bits of grinding here and there and all about, and it saves getting a generator or a extension cable out. So no complaints. pin's going to go out through there. I think I need to take that cap off, but I don't want to come off. Why don't I want to come off? I think that's a riveting tool, and I probably shouldn't have pushed the water quite on that. I didn't realise that was what it's for. I'll see if I can't grip on it and turn it with the span around. See what's happens here. Try and put some anti-compression on it. It's come loose. There is hope after all. Just take this here cap off. I think it's a riveting cap, so don't want that done. And I can adjust whatever stick outs on this here. I don't think I need anything on the other end because it's what do you call it now? Put it like that. I'm not entirely sure, you see, I'm not entirely sure if it's meant to, which way round it's meant to be. Is it meant to be that the big bit is up tight so it doesn't shift, maybe? That might make some sense. And then I'm going to clamp that a bit on. Push it into it. Sure. I don't think it's square. So it's probably not. I can't see if it's square. Let's try again. See if I can find it up. It's going off again. It's a peculiar thing. Pushing thing through. Maybe it's an X size die I got. I think the next size up is too big, so I'll lose that. It's just pushing out. We got it now. Got it. Good. Works. No complaints. Grinder works fine. Chain breaker works fine. Ooh. How do we get this here up? That. Good. No complaints, it's a good job.